Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, aluminum wheels, running boards, traction control, rollover protection system, power steering, bucket seats, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.